Good morning, students. Today we are going to see another technology that is introduced in the banking sector. Yesterday we have discussed about what is credit card. So today we are going to discuss what is debit card. Okay, now this debit card most of us use. Okay, ये जो debit card है हम लोग सारे लोगों के पास है. जो जो बैंक अकाउंट ओपन करता है उसको क्या मिलता है? डेबिट कार्ड मिलता है. So debit card is an ATM card, okay, that can be used in a certain merchandise outlet to make payment. अगर आपको पैसे निकालने हो then you can use debit card as an ATM. But when you do shopping, okay, तो आपको अगर ATM कार्ड वहाँ पे आप लोग यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. लेकिन if you do shopping and if you have a debit card then you can do the payment also, okay. So here ये जो डेबिट कार्ड है this is a combination of what the functions of ATM card and the check. Okay, even it does this debit card can be used for depositing the check. अगर आपका चेक है उसको डिपॉजिट करना है then you can use debit card. Okay, so here debit card is both the combination of ATM card and a check. So debit card are issued by bank but are used at the stores. Okay, can be used to withdraw money from the bank and ATM as a ATM also. So the amount gets debited from the debit card holder's account automatically. Okay, तो अगर आपने कुछ परचेज किया और आपको उसका पेमेंट करना है then you can do it with the help of the debit card. Okay, and यहाँ पे क्या होगा आपके अकाउंट से पैसे ऑटोमेटिकली डिडक्ट हो जाएंगे. दैट इज इट विल बी डेबिटेड फ्रॉम योर अकाउंट. सो एडवांटेजेस ऑफ डेबिट कार्ड. व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ डेबिट कार्ड? सो यू आपको अगर कहाँ दूर ट्रैवल करना है देन यू नीड देर इज़ नो नीड कि आपको चेकबुक कैरी करना है या देर इज़ नो नीड टू प्रेजेंट एनी आइडेंटिफिकेशन बट स्टिल यू आर एबल टू परचेज डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम योर बैंक अकाउंट. ओके, सो इट इज़ कॉस्ट saving and time saving also. You can pay your bill immediately unlike when you use a credit card and get the bill later. Okay, you can use the increase use the card and better network of the card holders increases the popularity of the bank. Okay, अगर सारे लोगों के पास डेबिट कार्ड है तो क्या होगा बैंक का पॉपुलैरिटी अपने आप इंक्रीज हो जाएंगी. Okay, and even there will be good network of that bank. Next is what are the disadvantages of debit card. The consumer who is using the card, okay, do not have the right to withhold money. That is the money is immediately removed from your account. An event of dispute with the merchant over the goods or the special services paid for. Okay, आपका मनी क्या होगा डायरेक्टली डिडक्ट हो जाएगा. अगर आपके स्टोर्स पे अगर किसी से प्रॉब्लम मतलब आपने कुछ आपका कुछ डाउट आया कि आपका पेमेंट का कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया है देन इवन इफ़ यू हैव डिस्प्यूट तो क्या होगा आपका पैसे ऑलरेडी डिडक्ट हो जाएंगे. ऐसे नहीं कि यू कैन विदहोल्ड द अमाउंट मतलब पेमेंट जो ट्रांजेक्शन है उसको रुका के नहीं दे रख सकते. That is second is some banks and the merchant charge transaction fees for using debit card. Sometimes if you do payment to card क्या होगा आपका they will charge you some percentage of fees. That is the some charges they will charge 2% on the total purchase. ऐसा कुछ रहता है. Then if your debit card number is stolen on the internet तो क्या होगा आपके सारे पैसे they can be fraud or there can be some what you call forgery that may take place when your debit card number is stolen on the internet. So here the thief may drain your bank account before the bank is able to complete its investigation. Okay, ऐसे hacking things होते रहते हैं. Okay, you should be very careful while using a debit card. Then debit card holder always need to remember pin. अगर आप पिन भूल गए तो डेबिट कार्ड का कुछ यूज़ नहीं. So if debit card holder forgets the pin he or she is not able to use a debit card. So these are the disadvantages of debit card. So we were talking about pin. पिन मतलब एक्चुअली क्या है? इट इज़ पर्सनल आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर. सो दिस पर्सनल आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, ये अल्फ़ा न्यूमेरिक और इट कैन बी न्यूमेरिक कोड दैट कैन बी यूज टू ऑथेंटिकेट द एक्सेस टू द सिस्टम. इवन अपने मोबाइल को हम लोग क्या डालते हैं? पिन डालते हैं या पैटर्न डालते हैं, सो दैट योर सीक्रेट थिंग्स कैनॉट बी, मतलब आपका जो सीक्रेट थिंग्स है, जैसे कि अकाउंट में पैसे रहते हैं या आप मोबाइल यूज़ करते हो तो मोबाइल में कई सारी चीज़ें रहते हैं विच आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड ऑल. सो इट शुड नॉट बी इन द हैंड्स ऑफ रॉन्ग पर्सन. तो उसके लिए आप लोग क्या करते हैं? पिन डालते हैं. सो इन द सेम वे, this personal identification number serves the validation tool for the user for a various types of networks and systems such as computer network, credit card, debit card, and mobile phones. Okay, so pins are used across multiple sectors. Okay, जैसे कि banking sectors use करते हैं, payment process में use होता है, communication में use होता है. So here this ये जो pin है, it plays a very important role. So here what are the uses of PIN? Okay, so your personal identification number, that is PIN, is security code for verifying the account holder's identity. Okay, सो सिमिलरली टू अ पासवर्ड. ओके, जैसे कि हम लोग पासवर्ड डालते हैं हमारे मोबाइल फ़ोन में, इन द सेम वे पिन ऑल्सो प्लेज दैट इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल. ओके, पिन भी वैसे ही रहता है. सो योर पिन शुड बी केप्ट सीक्रेट बिकॉज इट अलाउस एक्सेस टू इम्पॉर्टेंट सर्विसेज सच एज फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजेक्शन. so you should keep your pin very safe. Bank issues cards with a PIN generally disclaim any liability in case of cardholder compromises the confidentiality of the PIN, loss of the card or loss of PIN. Okay, so PIN should be kept very मतलब safe. Okay, because it generally disclaims any liability. अगर आपका PIN खो गया या कुछ हो गया, then bank is not liable for them. So card holder should be reported to the bank immediately so that appropriate steps to prevent use are taken up immediately. Okay, अगर किसी ने पिन चुरा लिया, then you should inform your bank immediately so that there are some necessary steps that can be taken. Now what are the safety measures? So never keep the pin in simple numbers. Okay, simple numbers में नहीं रहने चाहिए, जैसे कि 1 2 3 4 0 3 0 3 0 0 0. These are simple numbers, anybody can recognize this. Okay, dates such as birth year of or spouse birth year, any part of the address or phone number, ऐसा कुछ पिन नहीं रहना चाहिए. Okay, so that people may find your pin number easily. आपका birth date तो कभी नहीं रहना चाहिए. Okay, देन नेक्स्ट इज नेवर राइट पिन ऑन ATM और डेबिट कार्ड. ओके, आपका जो ATM कार्ड हो, डेबिट कार्ड हो, उसके पीछे या कहाँ पे भी पिन का नंबर नहीं रखना चाहिए. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज ऑलवेज कीप पिन सीक्रेट. आपका जो पिन है इट शुड बी कैप्ट सीक्रेट. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज चेंज द पिन ऑन रेगुलर इंटरवल्स. नेवर कीप द सेम पिन फॉर मल्टीपल ATMs और डेबिट कार्ड. ओके, तो एक पिन ATM के लिए एक ही पिन रहना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि यू शुड हैव 4-5 कार्ड है और सारे कार्ड को एक ही पिन है. यू शुड नेवर डू दैट. ओके, so these are some of the safety measures that should be taken with regards to PIN, that is personal identification number. Okay, so here we have spoke about what is debit card and we spoke about what is PIN. Next is mobile banking. Now mobile banking is a banking that you can operate on your mobile. Okay, only thing you require is a mobile, that is a smart mobile and an internet connection. Then you can do the banking transaction on the mobile also. Okay, so mobile banking is a system which allows customers of the bank to contact financial transaction through mobile telecommunication services such as mobile phone or tablets. So mobile banking services include alert on account activity, जैसे कि कुछ deposit हुआ, withdraw हुआ, they will send you a message. Okay, that is the alerts. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सेस टू द कार्ड स्टेटमेंट. आपका कार्ड का जो स्टेटमेंट है उसको एक्सेस देते हैं. एंड पेमेंट ऑन कार्ड ड्यूज, checking account balance, transfer fund, bill pay, etc. So these are the services that are provided when you use mobile banking. Okay, so here many people are increasing mobile phone services. Okay, so this was introduced when the smartphone with VA app, that is wireless application protocol, that supported mobile when they were introduced. This system has been emerged, that is mobile banking. So every bank has their app. Okay, so here ऐप के हिसाब से यू कैन डू मोबाइल बैंकिंग. सो यूरोपियन बैंक स्टार्टेड मोबाइल बैंकिंग टू देयर कस्टमर्स इन द ईयर 1999. ओके, सो यर first mobile banking service कैसे था? There was a SMS that was coming, okay, with the help of SMS, that is short messaging service. So there was यहाँ पे क्या होता था, SMS के थ्रू हमें क्या होता था, अकाउंट के डिटेल्स मिलते थे. उतना ही मिलता था कि कितना अकाउंट गया, अकाउंट से डेबिट हुआ, कितने अकाउंट से क्रेडिट हुआ, एंड द बैलेंस अमाउंट. ओके, सो विद डेवलपमेंट इन टेक्नोलॉजी many banks have launched mobile banking service. Okay, so what are the advantages of mobile banking? Mobile banking offers security, convenience and ease of payment. Okay, mobile banking क्या करता है? It will give you security, it will also give you convenience and ease of payment. Next is it can be used anywhere, anytime to make payment. Okay, it reduces the risk of fraud because of immediate SMS sent to the customers about the activity in the account. Okay, you will get all the details first before the transaction is complete. Okay, so if there is any person who is trying to do forgery with your account, then you can stop that transaction. Next, it is time saving and cost efficient. Okay, it is additional channel for customers payment. Okay, बैंक can use existing infrastructure. Okay, ऐसा नहीं कि मोबाइल बैंकिंग लॉन्च किया तो उसके लिए कुछ तो अलग बिल्डिंग बनानी पड़ेगी. नो, on the existing structure also they can operate the mobile banking service. Okay, next is bank can use existing infrastructure. Okay, next, merchants can accept small payment amount. Okay, small payment है, with the help of mobile banking you can pay. Now what are the disadvantages of mobile banking? Mobile banking के disadvantages क्या है? That is, there is a security threat. That is, mobile account details can be stolen along with money. Okay, next is compatibility. That is, mobile banking is not available on non-compatible mobile devices. Okay, जैसे कि उसको स्मार्टफोन ही चाहिए रहता है. आपका नॉर्मल जो न्यूमेरिकल मोबाइल रहता है उससे दिस विल नॉट ऑपरेट. नेक्स्ट इज एक्स्ट्रा कॉस्ट. Some financial institutions charge extra fees for the mobile banking services. Next, limit on money transfer. So there is a limit on the amount transferred by using mobile banking. Okay, so these are the disadvantages of mobile banking. Next, we will see mobile banking application, that is BHIM. Okay, Bharat Interface for Money और UPI, अनआइडेंटिफाइड पेमेंट इंटरफेस. ओके, ये आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, भीम एंड UPI. ओके, सो योर अनआइडेंटिफाइड पेमेंट इंटरफेस इज एन इनिशिएटिव बाय नेशनल पेमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया, दैट इज NPCI, which has set up a support for of the Reserve Bank of India and Indian Banking Association, IBA. Okay, Bharat Interface Money, that is BHIM, was launched in the year 2016. Now this BHIM or UPI is an advanced version of IMPS. Okay, that is the new public service bank that have introduced this. Okay, so BHIM Interface for Money is the payment app that lets you make simple, easy and quick transactions using identified payment interface, that is UPI. Okay, unified. Next is registered on BHIM. So how to get registered? First, what you have to do, you have to install the app, that is BHIM app you have to install. Okay, from the Google Play Store. Okay? Then you have to select the preferred language, which language you have the आपको कौन से लैंग्वेज में वो ऐप ऑपरेट करना है. नेक्स्ट इज सिलेक्ट a mobile number that is registered with the bank. Okay. Next, login by setting a 4-digit application password. Okay. Next, select the link desired bank account. Customer can link multiple bank account to one Beam account. Okay. Next, set UPI pin by providing last 6 digits and expiry date of the debit card. Next, the last step is account is now registered and ready to use. Okay, so these are the steps that is required when you want to register to the Beam app. Next, we'll see what are the features of Bharat interface for money or unified payment interface, that is UPI and Beam. So here customer can make direct payment, bank payment to anyone on UPI using UPI ID or scanning their QR with the help of Beam app. Okay, you can do the payment. Next is customer can also request money through the app. Okay, आपका app जो है you can request with the help Beam app from the UPI ID. Okay, Beam is an unique payment solution which can be used without internet also. Okay, it works without internet also. How? You have to dial, that is star 99 * from the any phone and avail the features of Beam on the mobile screen. Customer can also register Beam using star 99 hash. Okay, #. So here Beam can be used currently on the handset with iOS version. Okay, yeah, or Android iOS. Okay, OS. Okay. Next is customers जो है they can use Beam outside India and send and collect money for your local account, that is NRI account or NRE account required for the same. Next is there is no need to provide bank account details such as account number, IFC code या कौन सा भी जो transactions was carried out, okay, using only the VPA, that is not required. Customers can directly pay user using VPA or scan and pay using QR options in the Beam app. Okay, so these are the some of the features of Beam app. Okay, Beam जो app है उसके ये सारे features है. Okay. Next, we will see what are the advantages of Beam UPI. So money is transferred on real time basis. Okay, जो time है उस basis पे that money will be transferred. Money can be sent and received instantly on all 365 days in the year on 24/7 basis. Okay, the services can be used on bank holidays also. It is time saving and cost efficient. There is no charge on the transactions on Beam, but bank can impose charges. Okay, immediate confirmation of transfer by SMS. If you send a SMS, you can transfer your money also. This promotes the service. Customers can get attractive cashback offers. Okay, various types of recharges and bills can be paid using these services. It can be used without internet by registering on #99 service. Okay, यहाँ से without internet also you can use it. What are the disadvantages of Beam UPI? That is, there is limitation on transfer of fund by using this service. Security threats, that is bank account details can be stolen along with money. Cost, some financial institutions charge extra fees on mobile banking services. Okay, so these are some of the disadvantages of Beam UPI. In the next class we will see more other services that are introduced in the technology that is introduced in the banking sector. Bye bye.